This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Gorgeous custom brick transitional home in the sought-after neighborhood of Landfall at Jamestown. Fantastic floor plan with amazing space throughout. Large, open, white kitchen with top-tier granite countertops and high-end appliances. Sizable living room with beautiful coffered ceilings and marble fireplace. Spacious, first floor master suite with double vanity, soaking tub and generous walk-in closet. Beautifully maintained hardwoods throughout the main level. Upstairs, 4 sizable bedrooms with brand new carpet and 2 additional full baths greet you, complete with a separate office and additional loft area. The space in this home cannot be exaggerated. Large closets, walk-in attic, fully sealed garage with additional storage racks. Minutes from historic Jamestown, the Colonial Parkway, Jamestown-Scotland Ferry, R199.